have a few suggestions during this cold snap that half of the country, millions of us are going to be feeling. Those of you that have an electric stove, this is most important for you. This is where you're going to be practicing your patience skills, but it will pay off. The more candles you have, the higher the heat and the easier to cook. But make sure to always utilize the lid, because otherwise you're going to lose over 50% of your heat. These tea lights burn for 4 hours at a time. Just imagine you're making a beautiful dinner for your family when all of a sudden the power goes out. You need to bake these. You work smarter, not harder. After an hour, take a look at these. Ooh, beauty and perfection. I'm Calamity Girl, and I hope this is a help to you.